Now let's talk about unpacking a tuple. First, let's write our first tuple, which contains the max. Let's comment this now. How can we unpack this tuple? For example, we can say name, then age, then city. Then we can assign this to my tuple, and then we can go ahead and print. Let's print name, then let's print age, and then let us print city. Let's go ahead and save this. So if we print here, we are going to have max, age, and Boston. So this is how you can unpack a tuple easily. Now just make sure that the number of elements you specify here and the number of elements you specify here should be the same. I mean, must match, otherwise you're going to get an error. But what we can do, we can pack multiple elements with the star. So just for testing purposes, now we have this tuple here, and we can say that, for example, we can say I1 slash I, you can say I2 and I3. We can assign this to my tuple. But if you want to unpack multiple elements, for example, we can use the star sign. So if we put here a star, so it means all from element 2, index 2. Now if we want to print, let's say, for example, let's print I1, and let us print I3, and let us print, this is let's print I2. So let's go ahead and save this. Now if we print here, we are going to have 0, we're going to have 4, and the other is a list. So if we unpack using the star, we create a list. So I1 is this 0, I3 is this, it is 4, and then I2, which is a star, took from here to here. Okay, good. So this is all you can do with tuples. So thank you so much for watching. See you on another topic.